it's December 1st and you all know what does that mean. It's officially Christmas season! And I am the biggest cheerleader of Christmas. I love Christmas, I love holidays and everything about it. So we're gonna make it super special since we are in our new house, and I just wanted to make it really memorable and special. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go and shop some Christmassy things, and we're gonna decorate our house, and we're gonna have so much fun in the process. So let's get started. We might have some coffee, I don't know, you know, we're gonna have some coffee and then come back and decorate the house. So that's our mission for today. Let's get it done. Woo-hoo.
So Christmassy.
Alright, so we are just going to Kmart for Christmas shopping because obviously it's the cheapest. Oh my god, these Tito's are super cute. They are coming home, totally matching our aesthetic. Perfect napkin rings and perfect napkins. I'm debating over this. Should I buy it or not? So cute. Okay, I think I found a better one. Oh my god, I think I love this skirt, but then I'm also loving this one. Which one to go for? Eva, what do you think? Which one? Table skirt, which one?
So we just got back home and I am so excited to show you guys what all I got today, because they are so cool. Like really the aesthetic I wanted to go for this Christmas, that's what we got. I'm so excited. Okay, let's start it. So first of all, I got this candle. How gorgeous it looks. Just look at it. And then it's so pretty and it smells like Christmas. It does. It's so good. So I got this one. This year for the tree, we just wanted to do like white and gold. So this is what we got. Oh my god, look at this candy cane cup. And I think this would be super perfect for like drinking hot chocolate. Most important, I got this cute white and gold napkin rings. This combination is gonna look so good. Tree's good. Look at this. It's so cute. And some tea towels, table mat. Oh my god. This is really cute. Like serving plate, but into the candy shape. Oh my god. I saw it and I knew that I wanted to buy this. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to decorate this. Yay! Got snow spray because this year we wanted our tree to look snowy. So I'm just gonna spray this. It's going to be voila, amazing. So I am super hungry because we did not eat anything outside. So first I'm gonna make myself a nice grilled cheese sandwich, and then we're gonna get going with our tree decorations. So so yum. all white. This looks perfect. Now all we need to do is buy some kits. But the tree came out so good. So our dining table is all set and it looks perfect. I'm a bit upset because I forgot to bring candles for my candle stand. I have to go for another trip and get it. But this looks fantastic.
Around 1:07 a.m. The parking lot at Bay Tree. So far, 6:40 now.
We're doing this for work. Somebody else is picking up the tab and there's something happens that they're gonna be aligned with.
No, they wouldn't. I'll give you $1,000 each. I'll give you each $1,000. Look, you guys do that home.
I have changed into my Christmas jammy, and this tree looks so gorgeous, and it looks even prettier in the night. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make some yummy dinner, so let's go and do some cooking.
Yeah, this is
Our cocktails in progress. We got Christmas movie on Netflix. Today I'm going to make grilled veggies and I'm going to pair it with some garlic bread.
Leave the table. Actually, it makes you speak French and German. A little bit Mandarin.
You speak a little bit.
A little bit. Well, maybe kidding. No, I'm not a language major. A little bit last week. I don't know. Maybe we'll be planning our wedding. It's the very last place. It's going to be like conference.
That's a 3-hour date.
Is there a tip on there?
You know what I'm afraid of? To be honest with you.
Alright, my veggies are ready and seasoned. I just put some paprika and salt and olive oil. It's ready to go in the oven. So I'm gonna put paneer and onion after a while so that they are not overcooked to the point. Make our vegan sauce for that. And fresh mint. Oh, I'm using my mint from the garden. Basil. They are also straight from my garden. Then some salt, and paprika. It smells so good, like fresh mint. So
ready. I'm just gonna drizzle some sauce.
She felt a connection for sure. She understands.
I love this sauce, so I'm just gonna go crazy.
Thank you for telling me that.
Thank you for watching.